Hey guys, and welcome back to the Pokemon Empire YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at how to update your bot when there is a new raid Pokemon released. As you well know, those of you that run bots, when a raid Pokemon is released, it isn't immediately available to trade via the bot. So there's two options. You can wait until PKX updates the bot for it to be able to trade, or you can update the bot yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing that we're going to need, you need to make sure you have Visual Studio installed on your computer. So open this up, open up Visual Studio, and want to clone a repository. Then you want to go to your internet browser. Let me move this out of the way. And you want to go to whatever sysbot that your bot is operating on. This one is just the basic PKX sysbot. It hasn't been updated for Decidueye yet or Rowlet, so the bots cannot currently trade them unless, of course, you update it yourself. So what you want to do is you want to copy this link here for the code, and then we'll paste it right here. Then hit clone. It'll download the repository. Now, while we're waiting on that, let's continue that in the background. While we're waiting on that, the other thing that you're going to need is the PKX development build. So to get that, you just type in PKX development build. Go. And it should be a link to Project Pokemon. Sorry, my internet's kind of slow. So right here, you can see it was updated yesterday at 5:32. Let's see if it has anything about it. No. So we just need to download this latest development build. So you always want to check this, what date it was updated, because it may take a day or two after the raid Pokemon is released for the PKX development team to get to updating this. So this will not work unless they've updated it on their end, which they're usually pretty quick about that. So we'll let that download, and we'll let that this repository clone. And then we'll go from there. Alright, now that our repository is cloned, it should look something like this. So from here, all you need to do is go up to the top right here where it says debug. You want to set it to release, and whatever computer you're using, usually it's x64. So now all we do, click build solution. Wait for it to finish up. There you go. 9 succeeded, 0 failed, 0 up to date, 0 zip. If you have any failed, then this won't work. So you want to make sure it says they all succeeded. So that's it here in Visual Studio. So we can go ahead and close that out. Now where these default save, you want to go to your hard drive, go to users, click your username, and then go down to source, repos, and it'll be this sysbot.net or whatever the name of the repository you cloned is. So sysbot.net, and then you want to go down here to sysbot Pokemon win forms, bin, x64, and release. Just keep opening these folders till you get here. And this has all the files, including your sysbot exe. So basically what we're going to want to do is just copy all this, and let's create a new folder on the desktop. And this will be our bot folder, and we'll just call it test bot. Alright, and then we just paste all those files in here. Alright, now after we get those files copy and pasted, you can see as we open up PKHex, this is what the bot you just built. It runs off the latest release of PKHex. So open up PKHex here. Okay, and then we'll go to Scarlet Save. Alright, you type in Decidui encounter. We'll do Scarlet. Okay. So you see it doesn't have the raid one here, it just has the eggs. You'll notice both of these are still illegal because PKHex hasn't updated it in their official release. So your bot will not work using this PKHex. So that's why we downloaded the development build. So we'll go back to where we downloaded that from earlier. We'll unzip that. There we go. Okay, you can see here it's got all the files here. Let's open up this one. Alright, we'll do the same thing. Go to the encounter database and search Decidui Scarlet. Search. Okay, see now here we have the raid one. You can see it's legal, as well as the Rowlet egg. I don't think the Decidui egg is legal because it can't legally be an egg. But yeah, you can see the raid Decidui and the Rowlet egg are legal now in this version of PKHex, because this is the updated one. This is the development build. So all we need to do to make our bot work with this is we need the PKHex core DLL. That should be all you need, but when I do this I always do the drawings DLL and the drawing Pokemon sprite DLL. And so we'll copy those, open up our bot folder, and we'll just paste those in here. Replace those 3 files. Now our bot should work with the new raid Pokemon. So we'll just open up our exe, get a configuration file for this one. I'll go ahead and exit. Let's see, there we go, there's our configuration file. And so what we do, instead of having to go through and reset everything, I have my configuration file from my old bot over here. So we'll just drag and drop this in here and overwrite that. That way all of our settings will be there. And we'll just open up our bot again. Alright, there we go. And we'll hit, make sure everything's should be there. Okay, everything looks alright. Alright, we'll go ahead and start. Alright, nothing to check. Our bot is online. Okay, so over here we have a legal file for the raid Decidui from the PKHex development build. So we'll just drag and drop that in here with our trade command and see if it accepts our trade. Like I said, my internet is slow. And there we go, added a link trade queue. So now our bot will trade the new raid Pokemon. You can do this for all the new Pokemon that are released. You just have to make sure that the PHEX development build has updated on their end. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. So if you have any questions, comments, just let me know. I always try to be quick to reply. If you have any other videos you would like for me to make, just let me know. Hope you guys find this helpful and enjoy.